Guess what I have? Ubrelvy. Let's unbox it in this special edition of the Headache Channel. Welcome back to the Headache Channel. I'm Dr. Alexander Krob. I'm a full-time board-certified headache medicine doctor, and I've helped thousands of people living with headache live better. This is a special edition of the Headache Channel because, quite frankly, I'm very excited. I've been eager to share this with you ever since I received this, and I got it a day or so ago. This is my very first sample box of Ubrelvy. And the reason I'm so excited is that Ubrelvy is the first example of a brand new class of migraine headache treatments called the Gepants. Now, I have another video that goes into complete depth on Ubrelvy, and I will put a link to that video and other Ubrelvy videos at the end of this episode and in the description below. Before we go on, I'd like to take a moment to thank those of you who have subscribed. Your subscription means a lot to this channel because it tells YouTube and it tells the world that headache and people with headaches are important. So let's get started on our Ubrelvy unboxing. So first of all, Ubrelvy comes in this metal container, at least the sample does. And just for size reference, here's my iPhone 11, not the jumbo model. The back has an indication of the contents as well as a expiration date on it. But let's slide off this wrapper and see what's inside. So, first thing I see here is there's the contents right there. And the first thing I see is the savings card right here. So the savings card is for people who have commercial insurance. That's not Medicare or Medicaid. If you have commercial insurance, what you do is you text a number or you go to a website and you activate this card. Once this card is activated, you can go to the pharmacy and pick up your first prescription of Ubrelvy for $10. That's $1 a pill. Now, your pharmacist may say you have to go through prior authorization, but that's not true. This activated copay card will be good for your first prescription. Behind the scenes, your doctor will start what's called prior authorization. Now, if your insurance company denies the medicine, this copay card will still let you have the medicine for $10 a month, $1 a pill, for 12 months. If your insurance company allows you the medicine but wants to charge you an arm and a leg for the copay, this card will also kick in and you can still have the prescription for $10 a month for 12 months. The next thing in the box is this brochure that reminds us that Ubrelvy is a new kind of treatment. What that's speaking to is the fact that Ubrelvy is a pill for the acute treatment of migraine. It can be used by people for whom triptans like sumatriptan or Imitrex have not worked, or people who have been told that they can't take triptans. The next thing in the case is this phone sleeve. Now, this phone sleeve is designed to stick to the back of your phone or some other convenient object, and it's designed to hold a packet of Ubrelvy so that you never get caught without Ubrelvy. Finally, we have the Ubrelvy itself. The sample pack contains 4 pills of Ubrelvy 50 milligrams. So I'm going to clear the rest of this aside, and let's take a look at the Ubrelvy itself. So here's the Ubrelvy itself. Your sample kit will contain 4 50 milligram pills. Each pill will be individually wrapped. Inside this box, you will also find the prescribing information, which you should probably read, but let's talk about the pills themselves. So each pill comes individually wrapped, and I really like this idea because you never know when a migraine is going to hit. So you can put one pill in your purse, and you can put one pill in your desk drawer at work, and you could leave one pill in the glove box of your car, and you could leave one pill at your friend's house. And so the nice thing about Ubrelvy with these individual packages is that you can have a pill no matter where you have a migraine. So here's an individual packet of Ubrelvy, and how you open it is you look for the corner with the hole. All you do is you fold down the corner so that the hole is in the middle. and that creates a notch. Then all you need to do is tear open at the notch, and there's your Ubrelvy. This is a 50 milligram pill. Ubrelvy also comes in 100 milligrams. And the dose of Ubrelvy is either 50 or 100 milligrams, taken as early in the migraine attack as possible. Within 4 hours, you have an excellent chance of complete migraine relief, including of disabling symptoms of migraine, including pain, sensitivity to light, sensitivity to noise, and nausea. If you're not getting the relief that you need from your first dose, you can take a second dose, which can be very effective. If you take a 50 or 100 milligram pill of Ubrelvy to start out with, you can take a 50 or 100 milligram pill as a second dose if you need to. You can take up to 200 milligrams in a day, and treatment up to 8 days a month. I hope you've enjoyed this special edition of the Headache Channel where we unboxed Ubrelvy, an exciting new acute migraine treatment. Have you tried Ubrelvy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. This episode is one of a series on Ubrelvy. I'll put a link to the other episodes up here. There's actually a really exciting Ubrelvy special edition video coming up, so if you want to be the first to know, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Please remember that the Headache Channel is for information and entertainment only. It's not medical advice. If you need medical advice, please see your doctor. I will post new videos on the first and third Mondays of every month and special edition videos whenever they're needed. Until next time, I'm Dr. Alexander Krob.